Part of college is growing up and making your own choices, like what classes you're going to take. Today I'm going to talk about DegreeWorks on the MyBama portal on the MyBama website. Using DegreeWorks is a crucial part of your time at the University of Alabama. Throughout my years at Alabama, become familiar with DegreeWorks. It took some time to figure out, but once you figure out how to use it, it is one of the best tools to use, and I'm sure glad I did. DegreeWorks can help with many things at the University of Alabama for students, like keeping up with what classes you've taken, what classes you need to take, and coming up with some interesting scenarios throughout your career. Like I mentioned, DegreeWorks remembers what every single class that you've taken and shows every single class you've taken. Remembering the classes that you've taken at the University of Alabama is difficult to do just because the numbering system is very confusing and can be forgotten very easily. So DegreeWorks works as an ultimate memory bank for you to show what classes you've taken and what grade that you've made in each of the classes, which is also very important. Works as what should I take? What classes do I need to take? In high school, you probably had someone like a counselor schedule your classes for you. In college, it is much different. You always schedule your own classes. While you can have an advisor to help you schedule your classes, most of the work is done by yourself. While that is difficult to do, DegreeWorks can be used as a checklist so you know what you have to take and what classes are coming up for you. You can also look classes up off of the DegreeWorks site and know what classes would fit into your career choice. The third and final part of DegreeWorks that is very amazing and has helped me drastically is the what if scenario on DegreeWorks. What if scenario can kind of paint a picture for you on DegreeWorks, and you can act as if you've already taken a class and see how that would affect your graduation status. You can also, if you're considering changing your major, the what if scenario on DegreeWorks can also be very important there, so you know how your graduation status would be affected if the major you changed, the classes wouldn't line up. So DegreeWorks makes everything easier. DegreeWorks can be really confusing at first, but once you figure it out, there's nothing better. DegreeWorks can do so many things for students.